Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code to 80. Your version of Roblox may be out of date. Please update Roblox and try again. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, close Roblox and go to installed apps on PC. Then on search, you just need to look for Roblox. And then you need to delete Roblox player and install. Wait for a couple of seconds until uninstall process here is done, and then should be gone here. Then open up your browser and go to roblox.com/download and download for Windows or other apps. Save it to your computer. Once installer is downloaded, press on it. Wait for a couple of seconds. Then installer should boot up here. And after it's installed, now if I try to play the game, as you can see, now it's working. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.